Hi guys, welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. Welcome to another episode of Advanced Excel for Visually Impaired. This is our 29th episode of this special series. My name is Ritul and I'm your host of today's video. In this episode, we will be discussing about how you can join two characters or two cells data in one cells. Before starting the tutorial, I would like to thank you everyone because you have made this playlist one of the best playlists on our official channel. Not only this is the most played playlist in our YouTube channel. We got more than 4,000 plays of this particular playlist. Thank you so much for this big achievement. Friends, you are supporting tutorials related to AI and nvda add-ons. But we are also doing the same hard work for other tutorials like this. Please support our other videos also. If you're first time listening to me, don't forget to subscribe to VI Tech Academy to get more useful videos like this. And don't forget to press the bell button for notifications. If you're interested, you can join as a member. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. In today's episode, we will discover another formula with the help of which you can easily join any two data of two different cells to another cells. Without further delay, let's start. I have already created this data where I have created three columns: first name,
full name, first name A1,
then
last name B1,
last name B1,
full name C1,
and full name. So under first name, last name, we have some first names and last names. See,
Rabindranath A2,
this is the first name,
Tagore B2,
this is the last name, though I did not apply the row headers and column headers. Those who don't know what is row headers and column headers, they can check out our advanced Excel playlist.
Kishore A3,
Kishore, this is the first name,
Kumar B3,
and this is the last name.
Satyajit A4,
This is the first name,
Roy B4,
and this is the last name.
Mana A5,
This is the first name,
Dave B5,
this is the last
Mana
name.
Sherlock A6,
Sherlock, this is the first name,
Holmes B6,
and this is the last name.
last name B1, full name C1,
So full name.
C2,
So now we are in the C2. Now under the full name, we need to show their full name with spaces also. How to do that? If you do manually, it is possible, but it is also time consuming tasks because here we have 4-5 names, so we can do it easily. But let's suppose you have 100 names, then how can you do it? Yeah, you can do it manually, but again it will be a very time consuming work. So instead of doing manually, we will just write a formula and Excel will do it for us. That's why you are using Excel. That's why you are using the computer. Now to type the formula, we need to activate our cell in edit mode by pressing F2 key.
edit blank,
And here I'll be typing a formula. So here we have two cells, A1 and B1, and we need to merge the data of two cells. We will not merge these cells. We will just merge two cells. These data are considered as a string. Those who know about programming, they know what is string, but for you, string is a sequence of characters which we use in our computers. Let's suppose you are writing apple. So apple is a string. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, these are also string. Now, to join to string, we use a formula. To write the formula, we'll start with equal sign,
equals,
then type concatenate,
CONCATENATE,
left paren, right paren.
left, right parent, left, right parent, concatenate, parameter text 100.
Here you need to give two parameters. First parameters, not only two parameters, you can give more than two. First parameters will be the first cell. So here, as we want to add first name and last name, and all of the first name is available at the A2 cell, so we type A2 comma
A2 comma and space.
Next, as we need to give a space, so within quotation we need to write the space,
quote, space, quote,
comma,
and space.
If you do not want to give this space and all, then you can directly write the second one. So second one means last name, B2.
B2 comma concatenate.
If we have more than a column, so we need to give the comma. Here I don't need, so I am removing the comma. So B2 is okay. If we have the data in C2, D2, then we can just press comma, comma, comma. Or else, if you want to add another string or text, you can just put the text within the quotation, and that will be added in the next column and in the blank column wherever you are typing the formula. Now, I'll just play the formula again. Listen to it very carefully.
Equals CONCATENATE left A concat2 comma space quote comma space B2 right parent lang.
Now I'm just pressing enter.
Sheet 1 table C3.
Now I'm going to up.
Rabindranath Tagore as formula C2.
Okay, so now it is already done. Now I just need to drag and drop.
C.
Those who don't know what is drag and drop and how to do it, check out our advanced Excel playlist.
Rabindranath A2, Kishore Rabindranath Tagore as formula C2.
Okay.
Kishore Kumar as formula C3.
All of the full name came here.
Satyajit Roy as Manaday as for Sherlock Holmes as formula C6.
So I'm just copying this Sherlock Holmes to check whether it is really happens or not.
Copy.
And paste it in a notepad.
Note X star Sherlock S Holmes Sherlock Holmes Sherlock AERLOCK space 8OMES carriage return.
So it did its job. And this is how you can easily concatenate strings or concatenate, like join first name, last name and write as a full name. I hope you liked this video and you will learn from this video. Let me know, did you know this formula or you learned it from the video? If you want to know any formula about Excel, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this content useful. Share this video with your loved ones so that they can also able to learn. That's enough for the day, guys. Thank you for joining with me till the end. See you soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.